Budget setup na hindi tinipid. Kung gamer ka, ito na ang setup na di mo pagsisisihan. Ito ang Ryzen 5 5600X with RX 580, malakas to sa gaming. Dota 2, 160 to 170 FPS high settings. Minecraft, 100 to 120 FPS mid to high settings. CSGO 2, 140 to 200 FPS low to medium settings. League of Legends, 180 to 230 FPS high settings. Valorant, 250 to 350 FPS mid to high settings. Forza Horizon 5, 80 to 100 FPS low to medium settings. At dahil yan sa Gigabyte B450MK at Ryzen 5 5600X na processor with HKC 16GB RAM 3200 MHz at NVMe M.2 SSD para sa storage. At ang CView Summer 80X gaming case and CView 240 Pro AIO para sa CPU fan and GS 650W for PSU. At syempre ang GPU niya na RX 580 para sa finishing touch. Kaya kahit flash, smooth pa rin. Stream ready na din. Sa looks, napakaganda nito dahil changeable ang color. Kaya shop now! This is Inplay, gear up your life.